Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am calling my friend Lily and she's on my YouTube channel so bad. So here we are back on my family friendly channel and I'm with Lily, which is my best friend, and this is Unicorn Puff. Yes, he is now going to join us on our YouTube videos. Unicorn Puff, Unicorn Puff. Unicorn Puff here. It is our special place in our life. Okay, there's Unicorn Puff. So here we are on this magical day. We have our things right here. Oh yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys about my poster. Okay, so my poster things are some of my subscribers. So if you are a subscriber, let me know in the comments down below, and I can make a picture for you. Like there's Kevin Rogers and Bobby Cat, 2,735, otherwise known as 2735. And you will be on there. And if you have any other ideas of people that you know that would like their thing on my beautiful board of subscribers and posters and stuff, let me know and tell them to follow me, and let me know what their username or name is in the comments below. Okay, so guys, back to what I was saying. Oh yeah, also I have some stuff that I want to talk to you about. I also have merch. Now I have merchandise. So my merch is actually, I didn't know if you guys know this, but I make these things. I make like homemade posters. Oh yeah, here's one that I made. And it's hanging up. It says "Stop." Okay, so that is one of them. That is one of my merch. And yeah, you can order posters and everything. Okay, so here's Lily. Oh yeah, so tell me in the comments below if you want some merch. And I also make blankets like this. It's really fuzzy. This one is my favorite. I also make different ones too for merch, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh yeah, and I'm also giving away something. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm giving away a DS. It's an old DS, but like it still works and everything. It's not charged right now, but it's like one of the first DS's. It's a Nintendo DS Lite. It's a very old one. So I'm giving that away, and also some games with it. And also I might give away the PlayStation 3. Yeah, so here we are. Here's Lily. Hold on. Say hi, Lily. Lily, say something. You're so creepy. So apparently, guys, she is having a seizure now because she is very nervous to be on YouTube. But yeah, she's like so nervous to say hi. She's just like, Like that is very creepy. I hope you guys aren't that shy. If you are, tell me in the comments down below. Okay, so me and Lily have known each other since first grade, and it's been such a long time. Oh, here she is, back on. Lily, say hi. Talk to them. Oh my god. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So people's.
Hi.
So, oh my youngsters, that is Lily.
Hello.
Yeah, she keeps saying hi. Oh, I thought your thing autocorrected to jellyfish or goldfish. But yeah, she's just spamming me with a whole bunch of nonsense.
Bunch of letters.
Nonsense. I call it just nonsense or youngster typing because it's always like that. But yeah, so today I just wanted to show you guys Lily and talk about, what do you call it?
I call it psychopath typing.
She calls it psychopath typing.
Yeah.
Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm kidding. I'm human, look, I can't like, I am light and love, and you guys should be too.
Here, how about flags?
Oh, she has a whole bunch of flags. Tell me if one of these flags are your flags of your country. Yep, a whole bunch of
I don't
flags.
even know what these are. But okay.
I see Australia, Austria. I also see France.
You can have all these weird things, too. I don't know what these are.
Lily, send your Bitmoji. She's gonna have one with me in it,
Okay.
too. She's gonna show her Bitmoji and my Bitmoji.
There you go.
It's not popping. Oh.
Eat your green.
Okay, so apparently, guys, she is telling me to eat my greens, even though literally I just ate greens. And, yeah.
Here, we're dancing bananas.
We're gonna be dancing bananas now. Okay. I mean not S'more. You're my cat S'more. Okay, so S'more is here with us too, and she is so cute in my little brothers. Meow. Yeah, that was S'more. Okay. Also, you guys, I am so happy that whoever's watching this, may get their things on the board. Oh yeah, here's Puff. Unicorn Puff. Unicorn Puff is not on sale, if you were wondering. But yeah, look at, this is Unicorn Puff. Unicorn Puff is my guest. So are you. Okay, so Unicorn Puff is a limited edition, but he is not on sale for any price. Okay, guys? So yeah, Unicorn Puff. Okay, so another guest. I also have plenty other guests. Oh yeah, so Unicorn Puff is right here. You can watch everything. Okay. I also have S'more with me. I have Lily on my right, and I also have this too. So every day if we have like a special thing, I can just do like this, and I can make a different design. And yes, I have this wonderful pillow. So as you saw, I also do story time on YouTube. Oh yeah, Lily. You can watch my YouTube. All you have to do is look up Madeline Bernard, or yeah, Madeline Bernard, and it'll have my YouTube channel. And there's a story time where it is last one I do a whole bunch of kid books. If You Give a Mouse a Cookie was my recent one, and yeah, so I can do. Hold on, I'm gonna do my initials of my name on this thing. This is fun.
I did search up your YouTube channel, and there's nothing new.
I just put on something new.
Is this your... Do you like the new account?
Did you look up Madeline Bernard? Does it say Mary?
Yeah, and then the one I think is you is the one that has a profile picture of a rainbow cat with a unicorn horn.
Oh yeah, not that one. There's a different one where it says Merry Christmas. Okay, guys. So I also have this really big obsession with Christmas, and I really love Christmas, and that is my favorite holiday. And a lot of people send me Christmas things, so if you want, you guys can tell me what you want for your poster things. I'm so excited that I started doing poster things. So it's Unicorn Puff, and I have a whole bunch of other characters too that on some other videos shall join me. This is the first time I'm doing my little characters. Oh yeah, and look what you can do. Oops, he turned into a pillow. Yeah, so there's Unicorn Puff. There are some other people that get, other characters that get featured too. Sometimes.
Oh, these are Marilyn Monroe. No, I didn't search Marilyn Monroe. No.
Okay, so there's these guys. Also, we are going to start a collection with stuffed animals where every time I get a new stuffed animal or something, it will go on the video. Okay, so on this video there might be a part 2 because my time is almost ending. Pardon? Okay, I will show you another character. How about 2 small characters and 1 big character. And yeah, okay. So I'm actually going to have a big character, a medium character, and a baby character. And also, maybe I will show you a couple others. Okay, so here's Unicorn Puff. Unicorn Puff, be right back, guys. My next one is Pikachu! Okay, so Pikachu is a really big one. She was my merch a while ago in June, because it just came out, and there is Pikachu. Then my next one is, I forget what this one's called. What is this one called? I forget what it's called. Mewtwo? Or something? I think this is called Mewtwo. I forget because I haven't watched Pokemon in a while. But this is Mewtwo. This is like the baby version before it turns into Pikachu and then evolves into Raichu and then something else. Okay, so this is from Japan. This is called a Poketab. This is also Pikachu. It's from Japan. It has this on it. And it says on the back Poketabby, just Pokemon. Okay, so yeah.
YouTube thing look like? Because the only ones that I find is the one with the unicorn cat and a bunch of Marilyn Monroe stuff.
Hold on, Lily. Let me end this video. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next video, which will be a part 2 with Lily and all my characters and maybe introduce some new characters. Okay, well, love you, youngsters. Bye!